U.S. Legal Forms is the largest database of state and industry-specific documents where users can find, fill out, and download any form they need in minutes. It works directly in your browser, so you don't need any extra software on your device. When you register as a new user, it's important that you know your way around the U.S. Legal Forms website and get the most out of the services offered. Let's take a look at your available options. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top. The menu items include the personal and business sections, as well as support and My Account, followed by the search field on the far right. Under Personal, you'll find the most important and commonly accessed forms for personal use under several subcategories, including estate planning, real estate, divorce, and more. If you're a premium user, you'll also find completion services here. Under Business, you'll find subcategories related to starting, managing, and running your business, and a section specifically for small businesses. You can also find the form package and form categories at the bottom of the page, along with other tools, guides, customer service, and information about us. Next, let's take a look at the My Account section. Here, you'll find the My Forms subcategory, which is a repository of your download history. If you ever need to quickly find a form that you've previously downloaded, check here. Next are legal resources, which includes Q&A, helpful topics, and legal life articles covering a range of topics to help walk you through the most important aspects of your life, from owning a business to parenting. Premium users will also find access to the services which are connected or integrated by our partners and AirSlate. These services include PDF Filler, Sign Now, and Notarize. The Account Details page, labeled My Account, lists your login and account information, while the Subscription and Payment page displays your plan, its start date, when your next payment will be, and your payment details so that you can update them. If you have any difficulties, you can find help on the Support page. You can check frequently asked questions, search for a topic, or contact our Help Center at any time. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found it helpful. And we'd love it if you liked, shared, and subscribed. And don't forget to leave a comment. We're looking forward to seeing you next time.